There's a theory that sheds light on women's cruelty in selecting partners. It's called hypergamy. Hyper meaning more, gamy meaning marriage, essentially referring to selecting partners, especially for marriage. Women won't choose a guy whose level is below theirs, especially in three aspects, bro: physical appearance, wealth, and status. Physical appearance refers to your attractiveness and physical strength. Wealth includes the amount of money and assets you possess. Status indicates how respected you are in society, often linked to your profession. A beautiful woman wouldn't consider a serious relationship with a less attractive guy unless he has a higher status and wealth. That's why we often see cases of young women marrying wealthy older men. A beautiful and wealthy woman wouldn't marry a poorer and less attractive guy unless he has a higher status. For example, a millionaire's daughter marrying a famous artist or athlete, and so on, bro. In essence, women always consider three aspects: physical appearance, wealth, and status, and they'll always strive to get a man whose level is above theirs. You might say women are cruel, but in reality, they're realistic. It's been an instinct since ancient times that women prefer to marry the strongest men who can protect them from danger. Of course, in modern times, this protection includes not only physical strength but also wealth and status. However, compared to how men choose partners, this theory of women's hypergamy is harsher. Once a guy falls in love, he doesn't care about wealth or status anymore, not even physical appearance. Even if the woman's level is far below theirs, once a guy falls in love, he won't hesitate to enter a relationship. Unfortunately, if you're not aware of this, you could be taken advantage of by women or end up being a lifelong abuse in a person who idolizes their partner to an extreme degree. The good news is, you can improve in the three aspects mentioned: physical appearance, wealth, and status. You can strengthen your physical appearance through exercise. Improving your appearance as a guy is relatively easier than making a girl look beautiful. Wealth can be sought after, and status will increase if you have meaningful achievements. This means you don't need to be abusive, bro. If you can level up in these three aspects: physical appearance, wealth, and status, you'll be seen as a classy guy in the eyes of women. I'm not saying it's easy to level up, but it's definitely achievable, bro. Rather than spending your life chasing after women in vain, hold back your desire to chase after women. Focus your time on improving the quality of yourself. Keep up the spirit, bro. Oath talker, both will be equally appealing to girls. Go get 'em, bro.